How to add the Maps shortcut to the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. Now from the home screen or from the lock screen, if you are already on the lock screen, simply touch and hold. Then once you're in edit mode, tap on the shortcut. You can choose the left shortcut or the right shortcut. And in here, scroll down and find Google Maps. Tap on it, then tap on done. And that's it. Now whenever you need to access map, just swipe on it, and this will allow you to quickly open up the map application. So just swipe like that and maps will be ready for you in an instant. Now another way you can access the lock screen is from the home screen. Touch and hold, then go down and tap on wallpaper and style. In here, tap on the lock screen. Then down here you can choose the left or the right shortcut, and then scroll down and select the application. Now map has already set to the right hand side, so I cannot choose it again. But here, if you tap on it, you can select maps right here, and then tap on done. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.